On the Ayi Mensa Pediasi stretch at night has become increasingly dangerous for motorists and pedestrians alike due to the malfunctioning street lights. It is almost 6 p.m. and visibility on the Ayi Mensa to Pediasi stretch is extremely poor. Out of the 120 street lights on the 5-kilometer road, the only functional street lights are predominantly concentrated just in front of the Pediasi Presidential Lodge where security is prioritized. This lack of visibility is posing a serious threat to road users, particularly due to the road's curvy nature and regular rockfalls which have been blamed on housing development on the hill. Some motorists who declined talking to cameras were concerned about the seemingly lack of interest on the part of the local assembly and the Ghana Highway Authority to fix the problem. James Abugri is the head of planning at the Akuapem South Municipal Assembly, and he attributes the continuous darkness on the Pediasi Ayi Mensa stretch to phenomenon of cable theft.
So over the years, we have been replacing these street lights that are broken down or that are out of use. That is, we get new ones to replace them. Those that need just chokes to replace, the assembly provides same, and in collaboration with ECG, the assembly members at the community level, to replace some of these broken down street lights. Unfortunately, along the stretch, we happen to see that people cut some of the wires connecting these poles you see in the middle of the road. Most of them, you see that they are falling off. Some of them, you go and you see that wires are hanging, and these wires are supposed to serve light to the street bulbs for them to brighten in the night. And so it's a big issue for us in that people deliberately will just go and cut these wires. And so whatever you do by way of replacing broken down street bulbs, you are not able to brighten the place because the wires are not connected. And so that is one challenge we have.
The Ayi Mensa Pediasi stretch is a vital section of the National Route 4 and 4, which commences at the Etetekwashi interchange in Accra and traverse through Adenta, Pediasi, Ibri, Kofrayudia, and Asokori before joining the Accra-Kumasi Road N6 at Bunsu in the eastern region. Spanning approximately 110 kilometers, this trunk road serves as an alternative route from Accra to Kumasi and connects to numerous communities, markets, schools, and tourist sites in the eastern region. Engineer Abdullah Mahama, a road and building consultant who also supervised the construction of the Ayi Mensa Pediasi road, explains the danger in having malfunctioning street lights on that stretch.
Talk of East Legon, Adenta, Medina, Ayi Mensa, Abokobi, Teman, and portions of Dodua or Ajingano, all those areas. It connects them to the eastern region in a very short distance, to Ebri, to Manfe, to Mampong, to Akuapem, that connects you to Suomanya and beyond. And they can still connect you from Manfe to the eastern region, the Kufudia, and even to the Ashanti region. So that area plays a significant role in connecting part of Accra to the eastern part of the country. So it's only proper that the agencies who are supposed to ensure that these street lights are functioning come and they make sure that they are installed and start to function, so that we would have less risk driving on that side of the road in the night. One of the importance is that the road is a dual carriage, so there's no any head-on collision that would have happened or occur on that side of the road. But the curvy nature of that area need the light to enhance on visibility and riding quality. So the agencies, ECG and Ministry of Energy, all the assemblies, any institution which is supposed to ensure that this is addressed must do that, and other roads who are in kind of darkness in the evenings. I think this is what we have to do moving forward as a country.
The Akuapem South Municipal Assembly wants the police to immediately intensify surveillance and get the cable theft criminals arrested.
The challenge and the concern, because these are facilities provided for public good and for public use, and miscreants would come, would just cut them and either go and sell, or they just cut them down, we don't know. So we have alerted the police. and the police has been working on it. But the funny thing is that they do some of these things mostly in the night, and so you are unable to be able to get hold of them for the law to deal with them. So it now behoves on all of us as citizens of this country that when you see anybody doing such an illegal act on our polls, you quickly even have to effect citizen arrest. We don't even need to wait for the police.